Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering prerequisites, user roles, core features, and a tech stack. Start coding immediately. Create the repo, initialize CI, and scaffold a minimal backend and frontend. Once done, design a simple DB schema that maps students, courses, and grades. This prevents rework later. Make sure to write 1 or 2 API endpoints first so you can test the end-to-end flow. These first steps let you turn requirements into working code without over-planning. You now build the system's core, authentication, role-based access, and the main APIs. Implement endpoints for enrollments, grades, and schedules, and explain why consistent request/response shapes matter for front-end integration. Once those are in place, add validation, logging, and unit tests so regressions are caught early. Make sure to integrate migrations and seed data so developers can run locally. This middle phase converts the scaffold into a reliable, testable application ready for you. Finish by deploying to staging, configuring CI/CD, and running smoke and load tests to validate performance. Once deployed, finalize UX flows and enforce data encryption and backup so student records stay safe. Make sure to document deployment steps and create health checks for monitoring. If something breaks, first check logs and recent migrations. Roll back to the last stable release if needed. This final sweep turns a working prototype into a maintainable production system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.